Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10-Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started. Keep in mind that all times discussed are Eastern Time. Our first trade room of the week will be ISM Manufacturing, Monday at 9:30 a.m. It's also a family money trade, and it will be our YouTube stream of the week. We'll be back in the room at 12 a.m. Tuesday morning for the Australia rate statement. We'll be back again at 9:30 a.m. for the JOLTS report, and then at 3:45 p.m. for AMD's earnings, Uber's earnings, and we'll take a look at Ford's earnings as well, and we'll stay in the room for the API crude oil report. Then we'll be back at 6:30 p.m. for New Zealand's quarterly employment report. And at 9:30 p.m., no trade room, but we will be keeping an eye on Australia retail sales. We'll be back in the trade room Wednesday at 7:45 in the morning for the Family Money ADP trade. 9:30 a.m. back in the room Wednesday for ISM Services, another Family Money trade. And then actually we'll stay in the room for crude oil inventories. We'll be back at 1:30 p.m. for the FOMC statement, probably the most impactful event of the week. And then at 9:45 p.m., no trade room, but there is an official DMM report, Kaishin Manufacturing. Thursday morning, we'll be back in the room at 7:45 for the ECB main refi rate. That's their bank rate statement. We'll stay in the room for Thursday claims and preliminary non-farm productivity. We'll be back in the room at 10 a.m. for natural gas storage. And then I think one of our most exciting events of the week is Apple's earnings. We'll be in the room at 3:45. The reason we're in a couple of minutes early is there are a whole bunch of earnings coming out before Apple that we'd like to watch and take a look at on the NQ. It should be a very interesting event. Thursday, 3:45, all the way staying in the room till 4:30 p.m. at least for Apple's earnings. Then Friday, we've got another family money trade, the U.S. jobs report, and also trading at the same time as Canada's jobs report. A lot of big events this week, the FOMC, Australia's rate statement, all the family money trades, ADP, ISM. Please make your way into the trade room. There's a lot of opportunity for profit this coming week. My name is Leigh Goldstein, the trading director at 10-Minute Trades. I'd love to see you in the trade room. Hope you're having a great weekend. Thanks for watching Weekly Market Movers video preview.